per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Humble, Cloverleaf, Channelview, Barrett, Highlands, Crosby, Atascocita, East Houston, Lake Houston Dam, Hunterwood, Sheldon, East Little York, or Homestead, El Dorado, or Oates Prairie, Northeastern Houston Ship Channel, Lake Houston, North Shore, and Southeastern Bush Intercontinental Airport. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.